1099 closeout report for the Project Catalyst proposal number 900087, the DripDropz Cardano Mainstreet Suite. This proposal in DApp's Products and Integrations category received $326,000 of funds to design the pilot demonstrator version of a multi-chain payment rail system that enables merchants and consumers to diversify their existing payment options and reach untapped global markets and purchasing power. The goal of this development was to determine the necessary partnerships, legal requirements, and technology stack that would be required to launch this endeavor successfully. For the first milestone, the user journey walkthrough, we released a survey to our target users to get their feedback on the user journey. We received over 100 responses, and the data was very helpful in identifying areas where we can improve the user experience. One of the key findings from the survey was that users wanted a clear and concise onboarding process. They also want to be able to easily find the information they need. We're taking these findings into account as we continue to develop the application. In addition to the survey, we also conducted user interviews and usability testing. This helped us to get a deeper understanding of the user needs and pain points. Based on the feedback we received, we've developed a set of basic design principles that would guide the development of the user journey. We also worked on identifying the basic user technology requirements. This included the hardware and software that users needed to use the application. Our second milestone saw the creation of our Figma document that contained the user experience and user interface elements for the demonstrator application. These elements were built directly into the app. The demonstrator app really started to take shape during the third milestone as the front-end prototypes were completed. We finalized our selection process on technology vendors and signed contracts with Fireblocks, the largest and safest payment rail provider. Lastly, we also engaged our legal team to begin the process of applying for money transmitter licenses. Our final milestone shows the transaction process for peer-to-peer commerce using QR codes and with a deployed tech stack, the Fireblocks Playground, and the Cardano network all involved. We are so happy to bring this exciting project to a conclusion. We learned several important lessons during the process of completing the proposal. There are a large number of entities that promise to work as payment rail providers. Most of them were customers of Fireblocks, so working with the primary organization that provides this infrastructure was necessary for our success. Flutter did not provide a level of flexibility and security in mobile application development that would work for applications requiring money transmission. As such, we moved to Kotlin multi-platform for mobile so that we had full access to the underlying operating system and were able to complete the transactions in a safe and secure fashion. The legal hurdles and requirements to build on this platform are steep. There are varying requirements state to state, and there are fines and fees for doing things incorrectly. Hiring a competent legal team to handle this portion was definitely important. The investment landscape is constantly shifting at this time. Investors want projects further along the success curve and are tighter with the funds that they are willing to offer. We will require additional funding to move on to the next major step. In order to make our platform even more attractive to investors, we have asked the community to assist us in acquiring the state money transmitter licenses. Now that we have paid the attorneys, we must also pay for all of the bonds, licenses, and application fees in each state. If you review our Fund 10 proposal, DripDropz Mainstreet Suite licensing, you can see the breakdown there as to how we will use the funds to complete the licensing and therefore become a more attractive investment target to move into the future of money. We are grateful for the support of the Project Catalyst community in making this project a reality. We are excited to continue working on this project and bring it to the next level.